Today is January 10th, and Deanna decided it was the perfect day to make a spell. Which spell, you may ask? Well, a sweetening love spell. After receiving a box of cranberries from her friend Cranigan, she couldn't help but make this spell. It was delicious, sweet, and imbued with all things that bring comfort and healing. So, first Deanna gathered the ingredients. 4 clementines for joy, 3 cinnamon sticks for lust, honey to sweeten the heart and bind the other ingredients together, cranberries for healing and communication, and cloves for love. Once she had the ingredients, she moved to the tools. A jar, bowl, fork, strainer, parchment paper, and stir stick. Yes, all these together would create quite the lovely spell. She first went about juicing the 4 clementines, placing their juices into the jar, thanking them for their sacrifice, and ending with removing their sticky remains that splattered all over her countertop. She then added the cranberries, not right away though. She needed to poke holes in each one to ensure the juices had some place to escape.
Many hours later.
There, all done. She added the small handful of cloves, broke the cinnamon sticks in half before adding those, and shook everything to make certain they were evenly coated before suffocating it all in sweet, delicious, golden bee juice. Once the jar was filled, she mixed everything with the stick to work out the air bubbles and to stir in her intentions, before closing the lid with a piece of parchment so the lid wouldn't rust. It would be a couple of weeks before she would be able to enjoy this spell, but it would be ready just in time for Valentine's Day to share with her hubby on top of their favorite dessert. Hey, or go. No. We do not go up there. Yeah, look at me like that. That's not helping. Yeah.